Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some like codes and items on Dress to Impress. So on the New Year's update, they added these sprinklers here, which you can grab onto. And also the item that I'm wearing is a code item, which is I'll type it here. I think it's this, if I'm not mistaken. Whoops. Oops, it's 4. Or the other way around. I will put it in the description box down below because I don't remember what it is. You're just going to redeem the code and you're going to get this really cute outfit. It still works. There are a few codes that were redeemable on New Year's, like the hat and the balloon. But now they are not redeemable anymore, as well as the petal dress, fortunately. But yeah, that is pretty much all of the new items so far this year. They're going to have a Valentine's update coming real soon, so just keep your eye out on that for that. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.